So we're doing some vegan baked potatoes. And now I know potatoes are vegan, but I'm just going to show the vegan ingredients you can add to this to make it pretty nice. So 400 degrees potates, just rinse them in water and stab them. Well, and stab them. So anyways, 400 degrees in oven. Keep in oven, no foil or nothing, for 1 hour. See you then. And be careful with stabbing. I am professional. So now that the potatoes are done, after waiting an hour for them, you just take them, you just put them on the thing. They can be hot, so probably use something other than your hands. I don't care. It just burns my fingers a little bit. Ow. Yes, so now that you have the potatoes, you use some vegan margarine and some dairy-free sour cream for that taste, and some salsa. Now, I can just hear all the Karens moaning, being all like, oh my god, margarine. Did you know that margarine is only one it's only one molecule away from plastic? That typical thing that just tells me they didn't pay attention in chemistry. You're eating chemicals. We're all made of chemicals, okay? Just because water is only one molecule away from hydrogen peroxide doesn't mean you're drinking hydrogen peroxide. So just relax. Take your sea salt. Make that all beautiful and put it all in and whatever. Take your beautiful chemicals and get it in there. Yeah. So yeah, there's vegan margarine. So, it's tastes good. Tastes like actual margarine. All margarine really is oil anyways. It's all butter is. It's all just fat, really. Doesn't really make a difference what you choose. So yeah. Nums. And so yeah, really quick and easy. You can just turn on your oven to 400 degrees. You don't have to really care about anything else. You just put the potatoes in after you give them a bit of a stabby, and you just wait an hour. Wait an hour, take them out, and they're all nice and delicious, ready to be eaten. And just because I'm such a gourmet, some beautiful sour cream. Sour cream is pretty hit and miss for vegan sour cream. This Earth's Own sour cream is actually pretty nice. I like it. It matches decently well. And yeah, add it in there. Some good old potatoes. Now I know there's no protein though. But if you really want to have like a nice nutritionally balanced meal, you just add some beans. And then the beans taste good, and then they add the proteins, and yeah. So yeah, I'm going to do everything with a fork because I can. And I have a dishwasher running with all my utensils. So yeah. And after that, it should look something like this, or better. I don't care.